next is we're going to be putting an MTG in this customer's tractor. What an MTG is a modular telematics gateway. What that basically stands for is it's cell phone for the tractor. John Deere calls it JD Link. Once the customer buys the hardware, it's a free service as of right now for them. But basically what that does is allows customer to do location tracking. It also sends the codes wirelessly to the customer's phone or computer, and he can also have those codes sent to the dealerships if he so chooses. So if the tech comes out, he can be better prepared and maybe get things up and going without multiple trips to the store, come out with the parts he needs. Pretty simple install. This M modem, it's kind of a self-contained unit. It contains the antenna and the MTG in one system. It just got some 3M sticky tape, so you can stick it wherever you want. It plugs into power and the diagnostic port. Hide the harness, assign it to the tractor, and it's good to go.